Hello everyone, we are here today at Disney's Vero Beach Resort staying in a 2-bedroom villa. This room does sleep up to 9 adults and has plenty of room for everyone to spread out.
Now when you book this room, you cannot book your view. There are some rooms that have ocean view, but there's only a few, so you can always request that, but remember it is not guaranteed, it's just a request. We happen to get a parking lot view from one of the rooms and a kind of building / greenery view from the other room, but we're still excited to see the room.
Let's go check it out.
When we first come into the room here on the right, we have the bathroom. And this is the bathroom that is shared with the master bedroom, and we'll come back up and check this out in just a few minutes. As we continue through the entryway here, we've got a mirror on the left with a coat rack there on the wall, and then we also have a little hallway here that leads us to the master bedroom. Then as we go straight ahead, on our left is the second bedroom of this 2-bedroom villa, and then straight ahead is our living room, dining room, and kitchen area. And the kitchen here is a full kitchen. You've got a full-size fridge and freezer. You've got a microwave, stove, oven, full-size coffee maker, dishwasher, and toaster. And then of course these cabinets are fully stocked with glassware, plates, silverware, pots and pans, everything you need to cook when you're here in the villa. Our dining room area, we only have a small table here that seats up to 4 people, which is a little bit small when you consider the room sleeps up to 9, but there is a second table out on the balcony, and the balcony is right here off the dining room. You can see that table has 4 chairs as well, and they have sea turtles in the back of them. See lots of sea turtles here at Vero Beach in the decor. And this balcony is shared with the master bedroom right over there. As we mentioned, our view is kind of the greenery with the building next to us here in this room, but the balcony off of the second bedroom faces the parking lot right over there, and we'll go see that in just a minute. Now heading back into the living room area, we do have a sleeper chair and a sleeper sofa. The sofa is a queen size bed when you pull it out, and then the chair is a twin size bed. And then we do have a TV and a Blu-ray player in here as well, right there built into the island in the kitchen. There's a few pieces of art on the wall that are of course turtles, like everything else here at Vero Beach. We've got the green turtle in that painting, and then we have the loggerhead sea turtle in this one. Now you can see this is a dedicated 2-bedroom villa, not a lock-off where they combine a studio and a 1-bedroom. Typically that would mean this second bedroom would have 2 queen-size beds in it instead of a bed and a pull-out sleeper sofa, but here at Vero Beach, all of the 2 beds have a queen-size bed and then a full-size sleeper sofa that pulls out, whether it's a dedicated 2-bedroom or a lock-off, so it doesn't matter which one you get really. The only difference is that extra outside door and then having the small kitchenette in the bathroom area on the left. Now in the bedroom here, we've got a table with a couple chairs. We've got our balcony over here that again faces the parking lot in this case. There are a couple chairs and a small little table out there. You got a decent sized little balcony facing out to the parking lot. Then inside the room here, our queen size bed right here next to the balcony, and then we have a dresser with a TV up above it, and this dresser does have those USB and wall outlets built into it. In between the queen size bed and the full size pull out sofa, we have a nightstand that also has some of those USB outlets and wall outlets built in. And then directly across from the pull out sofa, we have a very small closet where the door would be if this were a lock-off villa. So this closet doesn't have any type of shelving or anything in it, just a little bit of storage space where the door would be if this were a lock-off. And we have a picture here on the wall of all these sea turtles. We really thought there would be a hidden Mickey somewhere in here. We did look at all the spots and things on the turtles, but couldn't find any. Now the bathroom here in this room does have 2 separate parts. The first part here is where you'll find just a vanity. This is what would normally be the kitchenette in a studio, which would be used in the lock-off. And then you've got a mirror up above that vanity there. And then behind that is your closet, where you'll find your extra pillows and blankets. You'll also find your in-room safe for this room, and then a little luggage rack down there. The other half of the bathroom has a door to close it off with a full-length mirror on the door. You've got another vanity in here with lots of storage down below and plenty of counter space up here. So it's kind of nice having the 2 vanities here in this second bedroom. You've got a really cool looking mirror on the wall there, and then the light fixture up above. Of course, the makeup mirror on the wall. We have some little washcloths in the shape of a Mickey head, housekeeping left for us right above the toilet there. And then we have a tub with a shower head that has those refillable shampoo, conditioner, and body wash on the wall. And the shower head in here is just a standard shower head, no detachable heads or anything like that in this room. As we head back into the bedroom here, Alyssa has pulled out the sleeper sofa, so you can see that even with that full-size bed pulled out, there's still enough room here in the second bedroom, but it does get just a little bit tight in between the dresser and the edge of the bed there. Now we'll head across the hall over to the master bedroom and the main bathroom, but first we're going to stop at this closet here, which is where you're going to find your laundry. Like all the one bedroom and larger Disney Vacation Club villas, we have a washer and dryer in here and some laundry soap as well. And then there is a clothes basket there on the shelf. As we head back up to the entrance of the room, this is where we've got our bathroom that is shared with the master. The first half of the bathroom here has your toilet, and again the shelf on the wall that has the little Mickey head in washcloths. You also have a walk-in shower here, a decent size, not huge, but it is a decent size. It's got the refillable shampoo, conditioner, and body wash as well, and then the single shower head up there on the wall. There's a couple shelves built into the wall there, and then the sink in here is a pedestal sink, so you don't really have any counter space in this bathroom, but you do have a nice little pedestal sink there with that same mirror as the other bathroom that looks pretty cool. And then the second half of the bathroom over here, there's a door to separate the two. We've got a soaking tub in here, no jets, just a big tub, and then a really cute picture above it of this little baby sea turtle going back to the ocean. Super cute. And then in here we have a vanity as well. There's a couple cabinets down below and just a little bit of counter space up here. Another one of those mirrors, of course the makeup mirror on the wall there and the lights up above, and then a painting of the beach with some canoes there. Now going into the master bedroom, there is no door from this half of the bathroom, just a doorway, so you can't close that off. And then in the bedroom, there's a little bench with some storage in it, as well as a full-length mirror. We've got a dresser with a flat screen TV up above it, and of course that dresser has those USB and wall outlets built into it. Our bed in here is a king-size bed with a really cool headboard with lots of pictures of baby sea turtles and things like that. Super adorable up there. And then on the wall is also a huge picture of another little baby sea turtle. And then on both sides of the bed you have a nightstand with those USB and wall outlets built in, as well as a lamp on each one as well. There's a chair over there in the corner, and then we have a door that takes us out to that balcony, and a closet where you're going to find the additional pillows and blankets for the pull-out beds in the living room, as well as of course a closet rod and some hangers there, the in-room safe for this room, and then the luggage rack down there. And then this was that balcony that we walked out on from the living room just a few minutes ago. And heading back over to the living room, we'll check out the beds pulled out in there and see how much space there is. Alyssa has pulled out those beds for us. So you can see the twin size bed coming out of the chair here, and then the queen size bed in the couch there. Takes up a lot of the space here in the living room, but you can still get around with those beds pulled out. You'll just probably want to put them away after everyone gets up, because it gets a little bit tight in here with those pulled out. And that's going to conclude our tour of this 2-bedroom villa here at Disney's Vero Beach Resort.
We hope you enjoyed that room tour. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up below and comment with any questions you have about this room. And of course, subscribe to the channel so you know we have even more videos come out.
And for more information about the Walt Disney World resorts and other Disney Vacation Club resorts around the world, make sure you go over to herewiththeears.com. We've got lots of information for you over there. Thanks so much for watching, and until next time,
We're here with the ears.